Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. Your new ride is just a phone call away.